Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and essentials. Check Topaz version and that your OS is supported because mismatched builds cause crashes. Once done, back up your project and make sure you have your license or account info handy so activation won't block progress. Next, quit browser tabs and any GPU-intensive apps to free memory. Make sure power settings are set to high performance since GPUs throttle in power-save modes. These steps remove common early failures and prepare the system for fixes. You now tackle the core fixes. First, update your GPU drivers and apply any Topaz updates because driver mismatches are a frequent cause of errors. If problems persist, reset preferences or clear the app cache to remove corrupted settings. Run the app as administrator to rule out permission issues. Then test using a small image and toggle the renderer between GPU and CPU to see which path fails, which helps you know whether the problem is graphics hardware or software configuration. Finish by reinstalling cleanly if earlier steps don't help. Uninstall Topaz, delete leftover program folders and caches, then reinstall the latest build. Make sure to reproduce the failure and collect logs, screenshots, and system specs so support can act quickly. If the GPU path is failing, try rolling back the driver or run GPU diagnostics. Alternatively, switch to integrated GPU or CPU rendering as a temporary workaround. If all else fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.